Hi babes, welcome back guys. Come along with me as I apply my complexion base for Ruba Beauty influencer search entry. And I'm also going to be talking about DEBBYLUSTER foundation. I think I've not really said a lot about this foundation because they are really amazing guys. Let's jump right into it. First step is cleanse your face with micellar water, and I went ahead to apply this Dr. RASHEL vitamin C on my skin, so I allowed that to like sink in really well. So you want to make sure your complexion base, your skincare product application stay like into your skin, you understand guys? So the next product is going to be LAVEEDA Deep Moist Facial Moisturizer, and it contains SPF 30. You know, if your sebum does not come out so much, you can actually use this moisturizer as a primer, you know. So I like the way my skin feels right now. But the next thing guys is to go ahead and use a pore minimizing primer. So if you have a really smooth skin, you might want to skip this, you don't need it. But for those of you that have pores and you want to minimize it, then you can go ahead and use a pore minimizing primer, a specific pore minimizing primer. Because so I'm using Art Candy primer. This is specifically for minimizing your pores. It's a silicone based primer. So I'm going to let me blend it up for you guys so you see. Can you see how that looks? Yeah, that's how that looks. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to apply it upward and downward, sideways. So doing this is helping me to fill into those pores. So you want to apply where you have the pores basically, not all over your face. The next step is to go ahead and color correct the spot I have on my skin. I like to do this a lot, most especially when I want to look flawless. I don't want any spots showing through. So this is the step that I go through. It might be a lot of work for some of you guys, but it actually worth it at the end. I mean, it's actually worth it. So guys, I'm going ahead to use this, and I'm going to be using the orange corrector in it. And after the orange corrector, I'm going ahead to use this one here to on top of it, just to seal the orange corrector down and to cover it, because this is quite thick. So I'm going ahead to use that. So guys, this is the result from the concealing. I know it doesn't look really nice, like well blended right now, but don't worry, the foundation will do the job. So I'm going to go ahead and use this DEBBYLUSTER mattifying setting spray, prep, set and seal. So it preps, it sets and it seals. So this is what I'm using guys. Yeah, this is going to seal this and stop it from moving around. And go ahead and apply our foundation guys. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply concealer under my eyes. So this is from Milani, this is Kusa. This is not what we are using as our brightening concealer. This is just going to give a lift to any deep set we might have under our eyes. That's what this is going to do basically. So we are going to leave this to really cook as I'm applying my foundation. So guys, for the foundation, these are the 3 shades that I have here. I have warm tan, and walnut. So guys, this is an amazing shade for bronzing or for adding a little bit of contour, and these are my shades. So I'm going to use these 2 in the center part of my face, and I'm using the darkest one at the perimeters of my face. Just watch. Guys, look at the shade. I'm going ahead to use this kabuki brush, and this is from number 7. So I'm using this to blend out the part that I contour. Can you see how the foundation is not even blending out? See guys. So this DEBBYLUSTER foundation, when you apply it, you leave it for some time. You need to like work fast because it dries down. For our under eyes, I'm going ahead to use the DEBBYLUSTER mattifying setting spray, prep, set and seal on my brush, and I'm just going to try and dry that out so it doesn't give us any watery. So this is just to create that smooth, that's how my skin is kind of, you know, result. That's what we're trying to do with this one. So guys, to contour my face, I'm going ahead to use Ruby Kisses No More Blemish foundation, and this is 15 cognac for deep. So when I take little, I'm going to tap off excess, and I'm going to apply that under my cheekbone while pushing it up. We are not going to be making it so obvious, but it's going to show, it's going to be enough to create a dimension on that part. So I'm going to push this up. I'm curving it because that's how the cheekbone is. So I'm taking it upward to the temple and I'm bringing it down, giving it like L shape. I'm way past that time where I'll contour my nose and it's going to be strong. No, I don't want that anymore. So I want you to just create a definition, because by the time you take a picture, you will definitely see it. It might not be showing as you're applying it, but by the time you take a picture, you will definitely see the difference. So a little goes in to just clean my contour on this part. Trust me guys, this thing shows. Like, you might not see it because of the lights that you are under, but if you take off this light, you will see it. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight the innermost part of my eyes and this part here, just make it look really, really chiseled. So guys, just enjoy the process. So guys, after blending out, I'm going to use a setting powder. So before using my setting powder, I'm going ahead to use a brush. So guys, I'm going ahead to use lip stain as my cream blush here. So 1, 2, 3. It's really technical brush to tap, and this will add a beautiful glow to your makeup. Like, it just bring the mattified surface, just bring it to life when you turn to the side. So guys, after that, I'm going to go ahead and use my illuminator, and I'm going to place that on top of blush. So we are glowing, guys. We are glowing. My chin. Also, where I can see light hitting my head naturally is where, like, this light that is on me, where I can see it showing like the highest point. So that's where I'm going to place it. So see. So guys, I'm going ahead to use the DEBBYLUSTER Skin Lift powder. So I'm using the same brush that we use in applying our foundation. I feel like I'm not adding coverage because this powder feels like it's translucent. So I'm trying to place it where I want to, and once I do that and I'm fine with the areas that I want to place the powder, I'm just going to go ahead and lightly dust on the part where I have the highlighter and the blush, just to, you know, minimize the shine, but we're still going to have that subtle glow. So far guys, this is how our base is looking, and we're just going to go ahead and, you know, spray some spray, guys. It smells so nice. So guys, we are going to stop here, and once I'm done, once this dried out, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my brows and my eyes, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. Bye guys.